finally we did it. We are in Hyderabad to try their famous biryani in the world by itself. So excited actually. I never tried it. How many years I stayed in Dubai and I never thought to try it. For the first time I'll be trying it in the most famous place in the world for biryani. Where can I find the best restaurant for biryani? What's the best biryani? Chadab.
He's saying I will take you, I will rate you.
So now we are in the most famous place in Hyderabad, which is, they call it Charminar. So Charminar, as you can see, that 4 minars, could be people, they know which one. So we are looking for the best biryani, which is the most famous biryani in this Hyderabad, because
बिरयानी पर बात कर करके मेरे अपने मुंह में पानी आ गया।
बिरयानी तो यहाँ की भी अच्छी है, कराची बिरयानी बहुत फेमस है पूरी।
what more? Thank you.
Hello, madam.
Thank you, Rada. We are looking for biryani and same time we are making a tour discovering Hyderabad and market everything you can find it here and it's near to each other. So many, just take one little and go. And this they're selling fruit here. I don't know this fruit actually. This is looks like apple. This is the what? So we are in front of it now. Okay. Is it clean? Let's see. It's crowded the place so much, so you have to wait. Okay, I still having good feeling since it's waiting, so it's nice. So tell us the prices as well. We traveled specially for rice from Chennai, from Pondicherry, and then we are here. We are waiting.
दुनिया में, लेकिन ऐसी क्या हैदराबाद बिरयानी में है कि वो उधर जाके खाना शुरू हो गए हैं?
No, it's not the biryani, no. What's this soup? Biryani is here. Sunni as well. And Sunni, please. Here they prefer to eat with the colors even in the food. So everything is colorful as you can see. So let's try. The first time eating biryani ever. Wow. Whoa. Spicy. Spicy. But delicious. Spicy.
ये मैं पता चलेगा।
बिल्कुल ऐसे।
He kept for me the big piece of chicken as well.
जय हिंद दोस्तों मोतियों के शहर के रूप में फेमस हैदराबाद, जहां सालाना लगभग लाखों पर्यटक आते हैं जो कि लोकप्रिय चार मीनार की एक झलक देखना चाहते हैं और वर्ल्ड फेमस हैदराबादी बिरयानी का स्वाद भी लेना चाहते हैं।
Guys, what to eat, what to try? It's really must. Web restaurant, it's really worth to visit. So nice. For that, we're gonna see where we can have a coffee. As you can see here, this is the local life of Hyderabad, and it was rainy actually. So now we just came to this place, guys. It's just near to the metro station. Maybe. So, what we will have? Some coffee. Where we can find some coffee? Looks clean. So now having my coffee just in front, near to the metro station. Thank you. As you can see, samosa so huge here in India.
अंदाजा लगाओ कि एक अरेबिक लड़की आ रही है, दुबई की अरबी लड़की कहती है कि भाई साहब आज मैंने हैदराबाद देखा तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि ये दुबई से भी आ गए।
There's samosa. It's like 3 pieces of samosa in Dubai, as you can see. It's all the plates. So now, guys, we are going to the trains, metro station, development. This is other side completely of India. Stairs, really nice. It feels like you're in Dubai going with escalator. Didn't expect this. The metro station looks really so clean, so developed. Now we are going to another station. There is the mall and all the huge building. Even this side, as you can see, the buildings here, this area here is completely different actually than the other local area. Because the local area you see mostly homes, mostly small shops. Here only companies, huge. And I didn't expect, to be honest, this in India, in Hyderabad.
कहते हैं मेट्रो इतनी साफ, वहाँ पे सफाइयाँ चल रही हैं, वहाँ की मेट्रो कह रही है जैसे भाई मुझे ऐसा लगा हो कि मैं दुबई में घुस गई हूँ।
So I was thinking like only as we are traveling mostly local, but now here it's really so developed. As you can see, the road as well, so developed, so clean. Everywhere there are securities, as you can see there are securities looking. So it's really taking care of this area, and even the green, the grass, how they are fixing it. Really, this surprised me. So let's go to the other side. So now we're gonna take a ticket.
पाकिस्तान बनने का ख्वाब देखा था और कैसे बना था पाकिस्तान, याद होना चाहिए आप सब लोगों को कितनी कुर्बानियां थी हमारे बाप-अजदाद ने, ऐसे नहीं बना था हमारा प्यारा वतन पाकिस्तान।
So see, even there are machines where you can take your tickets, same like Dubai. Even they are providing free water, which is really so good thing. So guys, why no one talk about Hyderabad is this much nice and clean like this? See, it's totally clean. Even now there is no one, and the guy is cleaning. It's really nice, all organized in a big way. Like, you know, there is elevators, escalator, there is a numbers, there is a rules, there is everything. It's really nice.
देख रहे यार, ऐसा हैदराबाद को खूबसूरत इन्होंने
और
बना दिया।
भाई साहब ऐसी बड़ी बड़ी बिल्डिंग्स
शीशे वाली।
भाई साहब वो देखकर वो कहती है कि भाई साहब मुझे तो लग ही नहीं रहा कि ये इंडिया है।
True, it's really surprised us. It's really so clean, so developed. We found a chair, we are sitting comfortably 100%. No one bother us, totally secure. And the other thing, you can discover by yourself. It's really so beautiful, so developed. Now we're gonna see the other side. Let's go. Most of this area like full of big companies for apartments, for nice luxury hotels. So it's really nice. It feels like you are in Dubai. Look behind me. This is India, guys. Welcome to India.
कहती है इतना साफ सुथरा इंडिया, यूं लग रहा है कि जैसे भाई ये दूसरा दुबई हो। मतलब
So now we are in Hyderabad, which is the south of India. It's really nice, clean. Honey, did you expect?
No, I didn't expect that. It's really beautiful and it's nice.
Is it? It feels like Dubai, right?
It is like a Dubai, and imagine all the cities are in India. It's like clean and nice,
Yeah, I
well
wish so.
developed. It will be so nice.
Yeah, mostly you don't see this kind of places, or always they show mostly the local areas and this. Look at this, guys, how much is clean. Even the traffic is more or less, since it's clean and people following the rules and it's really developed.
दोस्तों दरअसल हैदराबाद में पर्यटन स्थलों की कोई कमी नहीं है और शहर के सुंदर स्मारकों से लेकर स्वादिष्ट बिरयानी और पारंपरिक व्यंजन के आनंद के अलावा हैदराबाद में पर्यटकों के लिए बहुत कुछ है। दोस्तों हैदराबाद या फिर नवाबों का शहर भारत के सबसे शाही शहरों में से एक है। हालांकि हैदराबाद शहर अपनी भव्यता, आकर्षक वास्तुकला और ऐतिहासिक इमारतों को लेकर पूरे विश्व में फेमस है। यह शहर पर्यटकों को काफी आकर्षित करता है। यहाँ देश विदेश से लोग घूमने आते हैं। और वहीं अगर बात की जाए हैदराबादी खाने की, तो दोस्तों हैदराबादी खाने की बात की जाए तो मुंह में पानी आना तो लाजमी है। यहाँ की लाजवाब बिरयानी से लेकर हैदराबादी ईरानी चाय सब कुछ बेहद ही फेमस है। तो वहीं दूसरी तरफ दोस्तों ये अरबी लड़की जब इन्होंने देखा भारत की हाईटेक सिटी हैदराबाद को, तो ये देखने के बाद काफी हैरान रह गईं और इनका कहना है कि ऐसा लगता है कि ये दुबई में है।
This is Hyderabad, which is totally safe. Even for a woman, she will be traveling to Hyderabad. It's 100% safe. No.
कि देखो दुनिया वालों, आज भाई साहब लोग आके भारत को क्या बोल रहे हैं, ये तो दूसरा दुबई है। पाकिस्तानियों शर्म करो, तुम्हारे ये अरबी आज इंडिया में आकर इंडिया को देख देख के पागल हो रहे हैं। ये पागल हो गई है भाई साहब भारतीय हैदराबाद को देख
ये देख के कहती कि दुबई से भी मुझे लग रहा है कि आगे ही है।
वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को भी आप लोग प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।